Hi guys, and welcome to another video. Today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can target and get AI employee leads, and the same for voice. But any automation, as long as you're doing an automation that's replicating someone's job or helping them, this is the way to do it. So let's dive in. I'm going to show you step by step how you do it, all the tools that you need to do, and what it's going to cost you to actually run to do it. So first things first, it's all run via cold outreach email. So you need the cold outreach email system to be on point to make it doable. So email scale, get started for £1. If you want the data and the emails written, it's £97 plus your domain cost. So it's going to cost you anywhere between £200 to £500 to get set up to do cold outreach email. Then it's going to cost you less than £200 a month to start cold email. So we'll dig a little bit deeper into that later on, but let's dig straight into how you're going to do it. And just to show you again, I'm going to show you what it's going to cost to run. So this is currently my pay-as-you-go contact limit on this API that we're going to use. We need a spreadsheet that we've built that's got simply company name, domain URL, CEO, and HR department, because we're looking at finding people that are currently recruiting for jobs. So let's put this in for receptionists. We're going to target London because they're the ones that we want to go after. And as you see here, there's 900 odd jobs. So you can then choose and filter it down. So let's just go for ones that have been on there the last 14 days. And it then has all these different jobs that we can reach out to try and help them fulfill those positions. So what we need is instant data scraper Chrome extension. We're simply going to click on that, and that is going to give us all the company names right here. So we're just going to copy and paste that. If I wanted to do more pages, I just ask it to locate the next page, go all the way down here, click here, go back to instant data scraper, and then start scrolling, and it will then go through the different pages. So as you see there, it's just gone through the different pages to find more. So I'm just going to take these first ones as an example to show you this. This tells you the jobs that they're posting, tells you their location, tells you any more information about them. But all we need at the moment is the companies that are employing for this. A couple of things you want to look at is there a common pattern within businesses that are looking to recruit, and which sectors? So as you can see, there's lots of hotels on here. There's lots of dentists and gyms, and that you'll start to find a few businesses that are really pretty much the same kind of businesses that are advertising. So that gives us opportunity to then go find more data for those types of businesses to email as well. So let's go back to our spreadsheet. All we need to do with our spreadsheet is simply drop in the names of the businesses. So we know these are all running. This whole spreadsheet is run through Google Scripts. So I'm just going to run this for you so you can see. So it's going to start here, and it's then going to go find all the website URLs to do with all these businesses. So this is the business name. These are the URLs that match the businesses. And what we want to do now is we obviously want to find out who the CEO is and who the HR department is. Because if we've got an AI solution, the best person to go to is the HR department if it's going to fulfill a job that they've advertised already. So if we go back to this one, let's have a look at these jobs. We can see they're paying 12 to £13 an hour over 8 hours. So we know our AI solution is a lot cheaper than that. These ones are £28,000 a year. So if we go to the ARC school with a solution that's say 20 grand or 15,000, half what they're going to pay an employee that can do the job faster, well, it's an absolutely no-brainer, isn't it? So use platforms like this to find, look at all these. You can save this business £31,000 a year. But we need to know how to get hold of these businesses. So now this spreadsheet is actually going to find all of this information that we want. So in the background, the sheet is trying to find the information. So for instance, we know it knows the CEO of this company, it knows the email address, it's now found the HR department. And once it's done, it's going to populate all the information here. And once we got that, well, you can either build out to find the job description. It can find about the company, so you can write personalized emails and land in the inbox of your ideal client. We already do that on a larger scale. That's why I haven't built it into the Indeed scraper. So you can see here, we get all the names, we find all the titles, we then find the LinkedIn URLs, the company URLs, the Facebook URLs, Twitter, find their addresses. We then find out what the businesses do, what their personal LinkedIn says about them, what the company LinkedIn profile says about them, so we can run personalized emails into the inbox of the client, all using the information that we've just scraped from Google to land here that populates all of this information. So as you can see, it's still going. It's just having a little load. Let me just show you the cost. It's literally such low cost. It's cost us nothing. So if you go and look at something like Clay, for instance, to do the exact same job that this can do, you're going to be saving hundreds of pounds. So look at Clay. Let's just say you go on this one. It's £130 a month for 5,000 searches, where you can build it within here and AI will do it without any cost. So wait, while that finishes, I'll talk to you about cold outreach email. So the best way to do that is, now you've got all the data, is set up your cold outreach email system correctly. So you need your infrastructure. So we set up multiple email accounts and inboxes to say send small amounts of emails to land in the inbox daily instead of one single domain. So we send lots of emails of value. Once you get the value back, you then send them the pitch idea, and it's loads cheaper than Google, Microsoft, or Zoho, or any other workspace. You get up to 100 inboxes for £1, and the cost per lead is absolutely peanuts. So it's by far the cheapest way to reach these people. So if you go through here, this is just one town. You could build a list of 10,000 businesses that are all advertising for a receptionist. Find all their information using a simple script like this. Once you have all the information, you can then do custom email, land in the inbox of the ideal client, and produce business using very simple tools, email infrastructure, using data scrapers to build the data that you need. And you'll be the only people landing in the inbox of emailing these people that are actually actively looking for someone to do the job that your AI voice bot can do. So as you see, it's still searching to find all of this information. And once it's done it all, it will find the spreadsheet. My internet is being very slow at the moment. It should have been done by now, but it's still working. You can see it's loading, and it finds all the information that you need. So we've just taken a simple URL to find all the information that we need to start the process. And if you're not doing this sort of outbound marketing, what are you doing? What are you doing? Running a Facebook ad, hoping that you're going to be able to sell your AI agent to these people. These people are actively looking. This one here, let's click on it. This one is actively looking. It's a vet, actively looking for someone to do AI. Let's have a look at this. Their bot's not even live. Let's see. Let's see if they've got a live chat bot on their website. Nothing. Doesn't even work. Enter. They got no AI powered anything to their business. Look, I'm still waiting for someone to reply. This is the most powerful way to grow your business. So now let's go back to here because it's done it. So let's look at this. We now know this Andrew is the CEO of To Vet to Vet Veterinary Practice. So we can now say to him, you've got this job advert running. This is the problem. We have a solution. Can we share it with you? Can we show you a demo? And it's going to cost you less than how much you want to recruit someone. So let's find out how much they want to recruit someone. Let's see if it's easy enough to find very quickly. Probably not. I'll tell you what we can do. We can go to Instant Data Scraper. We can find the one that it is, which one are you? There. We copy this. Pasting is doing really well here. Copy and paste this over here. So there's To Vet to Vet. Let's see how much they're actually actively looking for someone. Let's see if the bots even come back to me while that's loading. No, their bot's not even. So this is great. So the bot that they have on their website doesn't even actually work either. Come on, you slow internet. But as you can see now, how powerful is all that information that you have there. So out of 25, let's have a look. We got one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we've got over half the amount of contact. Oh no, 14. So we've got most of the people's contact details. Sorry. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 out of 25 we've got their email addresses for. So that just shows you how powerful it is. So back to this one. So they're advertising £25,000 a year for someone to do this job. 6 months experience. Well, we know AI can do that already. Demonstrate customer care. Well, we know AI can do that. Excellent computer literacy. Well, we know AI can do that because it can plug straight in. High standard of clean spoken English. Well, we know AI can do that. Love animals. Well, we can teach AI to do that. Which got better than GCSE, so it can do all of that. And look at the core duties. Can it do any of that? Provide excellent customer care? Yes. Be the internal employee to address the attempt to resolve customer? Yes, it can do that. Answer and trigger phone calls? Yes, it can do that. Communicate with clients via app? Yes, we can plug that in because we already know that the bot that they have on here doesn't actually work. So all the things that they have here, AI can do. And no out of hour service and all of these 20 AI doesn't need any of them. So it can do all of them without those breaks. So we found someone's in need. We found the demand. We're then going to land in their inbox because we're going to set up the correct infrastructure to be able to do so. We're then going to write a highly personalized email based around this vet practice into the inbox of the director that's already got a problem because he's already trying to hire. So one, he's paying Indeed. Two, that he's want to pay 25 grand a year, and we can solve all of his problems very simply by AI. And if you tell me that's not worth investing a little bit of money into building and doing, I don't know what you're doing in business. But let's have a look at the cost again. It costs nothing, absolutely peanuts to do. So make sure that you've got all your infrastructure set up properly and you're finding all this information. And if you DM me or message me, I'll send you the app script that you need to just copy paste, upload your AI app, upload your APIs, and it will do the work for you. Look how easy and simple that is. You could sell that voice AI to that company now for 15,000 a year. That's over £1,000 a month in recurring revenue from one business. There's already 900 out there. Get to it. Get targeting the businesses that want your help and land in the inbox of your ideal client. Because if you're not doing that, what are you doing?